Triumph Property Management in Las Vegas, Nevada presents a one-story house on 5716 Blizzard Breeze Street in North Las Vegas, Nevada. This home is in the northeast with shopping, parks, and easy I-15 access nearby. The home features an open floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and attached 2-car garage. The entry foyer separates the bedrooms. The attached 2-car garage has an auto door opener, water conditioner, and direct entry to the home. The second bedroom has a vaulted ceiling. The laundry room has storage cabinets, and the washer and dryer are included in the rent. The full second bathroom has a tub shower combo. The third bedroom has a wood laminate floor. The open floor plan has a vaulted ceiling and a ceiling fan with light. The master bedroom has a vaulted ceiling and a ceiling fan with light. The master bathroom has a double sink vanity, separate tub and shower, walk-in closet, and a water closet. The open kitchen has a center island breakfast bar and all the appliances. The home has a large covered patio and desert landscaping. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with 1,410 square feet is available now for rent. Contact one of Triumph's friendly real estate agents to view this property by calling 702-367-2323 or visit our website, vegasrentnow.com, to view our list of vacancies. Thanks for stopping by.